Assalamualaikum viewers, in my last lecture I explained about the tryptophan or the tryptophan operon. In my today lecture I will discuss about the catabolic activator protein which is known as CAP, and I also explain about the lac operon or the inducer operon. First I will discuss about the catabolic activator protein or the activator regulator. When glucose is insufficient, the E. coli bacteria find another sugar source for their fuel. For this, the new genes or process for alternative sugar must be transcribed. When the glucose level drops, the cyclic AMP becomes to accumulate in the cell, and the level of cyclic AMP increases in the cell. This is the structure of chromosomal DNA for activator. These are promoter regions, operator regions, and these are structural genes to be transcribed. LAC-Z, LAC-Y, and LAC-A. In the first case, when there is absence of cyclic AMP, the catabolic activator regulator protein or CAP does not bind to the promoter. CAP do not bind to the promoter, and transcription occur at low rate. And in the presence of cyclic AMP, the cyclic AMP binds to the CAP, which form the cyclic AMP plus catabolic activator protein complex, and this complex binds to the promoter region and increase RNA polymerase activity, and this complex result in increased RNA polymerase activity, and genes are expressed and the process of transcription take place. Now I am going to discuss another type of gene regulation in prokaryotes which occur through inducible operons or lac operons. The lac operon, or known as the lactose operon, is an inducible operon. As I have discussed that E. coli is able to use other sugar as energy source when the glucose concentration is low. Glucose concentration is low, then the E. coli use lactose as a source. For lactose operon, there are two conditions. First, the glucose is absent or low level of glucose, and lactose must be present. In the absence of lactose, the lac repressor bind to the operator and RNA polymerase cannot initiate transcription. And when the lactose is present, the repressor dissociate or released from the operator and transcription proceed at low level. And when the cyclic AMP complex is bind to the promoter, then it increases the process of transcription. Thank you so much viewers, and Allah Hafiz.
Do not forget to subscribe